Hi, everyone. Good morning. Welcome back. As part of the today's session, I just want to create a Java program that will count the number of spaces in the given string. So you assume that this is Surendra is the text. So here the output would be 2. Like that, how many spaces are there? Your program should get the number of spaces. So I'm creating a new Java class, number of spaces. Okay, number of spaces in the given string. So here I'm creating a method, public static int, okay, space count method, and for which I'm giving input string as an argument here. And here, initially, I'm considering my count value as a 0. So this count is the one which is gonna retrieve the count. And what I'm going to do right now means int I equal to 0, I less than input string dot length I plus plus. I want to rotate the loop on all the values present in that particular string. And for each and every character, if I am comparing it with a space, if it is a space, then increment it, else not incremented. So here, what I'm going to do right now means char c is equal to, okay, input string dot caret of I. Get that particular character. And if C is equal to a space, okay, if this is equal to a space character, if this character is equal to a space character, then I am incrementing this particular count and this method is returning this count as a return value. And here what I'm going to do right now means let us call this particular method, whatever the method we have created. Space count, I'm calling this method. This is Surendra. Okay, this is Surendra. Int P1 is equal to and system.out.println P1. I'm just printing that. So when I run my program as a Java application right now, the number of spaces are 2. For suppose if I add up one more space, Jagannatham, and now when I run my program as a Java application, the space got retrieved to 3. For suppose if I have an additional spaces in between, even this program will work. The reason is here we are reading character by character and we are comparing the space. Perfect. Done.